Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is Usman and today we will talk about how we can use Sony ZV-E10 as our webcam. If you are doing a lot of meetings and you want a very good quality of your webcam video, so this video is for you. And if you have a Sony ZV-E10, this is the very best solution for you to use it as a webcam. So let's dig into it and see how we can connect Sony ZV-E10 as our external camera. Alright, here is our Sony ZV-E10. All we need to do is we have to go in menu. In the menu you have to go to second tab on the top. So in the second tab, which is the movie 1 tab, you go in this one and then you have an option of USB streaming. You have to select this USB streaming. Once you have selected USB streaming, then it will ask you to connect a USB cable. Here I want to give you a quick tip which can be very handy for you. So if you click on menu and you come on this my menu settings, so the last one which has a star on it, and here you can add different items as your favorite menu. So what you need to do is you have to add items, and you have to come on page number 12. Page number 12, when you come on page number 12, you just need to select USB streaming, and you have to select which menu you want it to be there. So I want it on the my menu page 1, so here we go, and it's added to our my menu. So if we click on settings and you see here on my menu 1 and in the last USB streaming, so it will be very handy for me next time if I want to use my ZV-E10 as my webcam. What I just need to do is quickly go to menu, and here we go, USB streaming. So we press the USB streaming here, and now it says connect a USB cable. You can cancel USB streaming. So let's try it on different apps and see if the USB streaming works or not. Let's try Zoom application to test if we can use our camera as a webcam or not. I will click on the new meeting. Once we have clicked the new meeting, you can see this is my Sony ZV-E10 and we are able to use it as a webcam. All right, so let's see the result, and you can see it's a very good quality result. You can see here, and it's far better than your laptop internal camera. So this is the way you can use your Sony ZV-E10 as an external webcam. You can cancel the USB streaming state by pressing S and Q button from the top. So if you don't want to stream, or you don't want to use the camera as a webcam, you have to press this so it can cancel the USB streaming state. Hope this video helps you. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and have a good day.